In this video, we're going to explore how to perform case-insensitive matching in regular expressions. We'll focus on using flags to ignore case sensitivity in regular expression patterns, ensuring that your matches are not affected by the capitalization of the text you're searching. Let's start by understanding the problem. By default, regular expressions are case-sensitive. This means that the pattern hello will only match the exact same sequence of characters in lowercase. If the text contains hello with a capital H, or any other variation in capitalization, the pattern will not find a match. For example, if we have the text hello world, and we apply the pattern halo, the result will be no match, as shown here. The solution to this problem is to use the I flag in regular expressions. Adding the I flag to a pattern makes it case-insensitive, so it will match regardless of whether the characters are uppercase or lowercase. For example, if we have the text, hello world, and we use the pattern /hello/I, the result will be match found. The I flag tells the regular expression engine to ignore the case of the letters when searching for a match. Now, let's see how we can implement this in Python. Python's re module provides the re.IGNORECASE flag, which we can use when compiling our regular expression pattern. First, you need to import the re module. Then you compile your pattern using re.compile, passing in the pattern string and the re.IGNORECASE flag. Finally, use the search method to find the pattern in your text. As shown in the example, we first import the re module, then we compile the regular expression hello with the re.IGNORECASE flag. This means that when you search through the text, the case won't matter. Then we search the text, hello world, and the output will be hello. Here's an example of where case-insensitive matching can be useful in real-world scenarios. Consider the text, Python, 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 Python. If we want to find all occurrences of the word Python regardless of case, we can use the pattern /python/I. This will match all 4 variations of the word in the text. Thus, all variations match. For matches are found. Let's summarize the key points. First, remember to use the I flag for case-insensitive matching in regular expressions. Second, in Python, you can achieve the same result using the re.IGNORECASE flag, or simply re.I, when compiling your regular expression pattern. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.